Khona. Awu Mtungu. Kunjani? Hawu ngihlale linjani? Shintsha le mvunulo ubele waboyiqasho. Lo ithenga nje.
Hayi, sezolanda la ukodwa khona.
Yes, Commander. In fact, so just to pay his respect as he comes in, we want to first just say you look lovely today. Tell us what inspires such.
Well, I respect and preserve my cultural orientation. And for us, such occasions are important because they display or resembles who we are as the Zulus. But also it is the pride that we contribute to the nation as a whole. And that's why we say South Africa is a rainbow nation, full of different cultures, but one nation, united and striving for prosperity.
I mean, what is COGTA's role in all of this?
COGTA's role is to work with traditional leaders in ensuring that such ceremonies and the processes of folklore and teachings that goes with it does not start and end during this time, but it is always taken down to Izigodi, the different tribal clans, and that must be done on a continuous basis.
I mean, this must be very important, knowing that there's a lot that women learn from such processes. As COGTA, when you look at what has happened on the ground, what's happening today, how do you feel? Do you feel that you've done the work?
Well, we feel that COGTA, the Department of Arts and Culture, have played a supportive role, because ours in this case is to play a supportive role to our traditional leaders and to the royal house, in particular His Majesty the King.
Is there more that you can do?
No, we are going to learn and continue to do more in building our culture. Thank you.
All right. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga.
For speaking to us. Of course, that is